Combination of your rating, activity, how long you've been driving on the service, and also whether your car is branded or not, gives you what we call priority points. The higher your priority points, the quicker and faster you get ride requests. So if you drop on your rating, you drop on your activity, and you don't drive actively on the service over a certain period, you lose priority points. How do you check your priority points? On the top left corner, the icon, tap on it. Once you're going offline, it gives you details of what you can do to increase your priority points. Branding your car on Yango allows you to get extra priority points. Extra priority points means that you get a lot of clients to pick, and once you're getting a lot of clients to pick, you get to make more money. Also, you earn more on the bonuses that you're getting on any given day. It also allows clients to identify your car easily, and on top of it all, the branding is very nice and catchy. Brand your car on Yango.